An airport ramp worker is revealing the truth about a common practice used by maintenance workers to literally patch up airplanes before they take off again. The worker, who goes by 1111 on TikTok, posted several images and videos of the wings and engines of several planes held together by tape. The post he shared was titled, quote, "Any other rampers notice this all the time?" End quote. Also included in the post were 7 examples of planes with tape on their wings, engines, and bodies. In another post, he replied, quote, "When you start to notice all the tape and Flex Seal that holds planes together," end quote. This wasn't the first time that the general public was made aware of this frightening practice. On a different occasion, an EasyJet passenger named Adam Wood captured a maintenance worker taping up his airplane's engine cover. In the tweet, he replied, quote, "Always worrying when EasyJet are duct taping the planes together," end quote, hashtag final destination. Although covering defects in planes with tape is a somewhat regular practice, many passengers seem to be unfamiliar with the procedure. The first thing to know is that maintenance workers do not use duct tape on the frame or engine of the airplane, even though that's exactly what it looks like. Instead, they use a product called speed tape. What is speed tape? Speed tape is an aluminum-backed tape that can withstand wind pressure, moisture, and UV radiation that would break regular duct tape apart. Additionally, it may expand and contract in a variety of temperature changes, ranging from negative 65 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Single rolls can range in price from $30 to more than $500 depending on their strength. Chris Brady, an airline captain in Europe, was quoted as saying, quote, "The publicity around speed tape is unwarranted. The manufacturer's maintenance manual will approve certain uses of speed tape. There's a vetting process," end quote. Brady also noted that any reputable airline will follow these rules or face consequences. In general, airlines will generally avoid speed tape because of the negative social media mentions and the public relations nightmare alone. In one example, a lapse in judgment rather than deliberate misconduct led to a fine for United Airlines in 2002 for a maintenance worker's improper use of speed tape. United declared at the time that it would challenge the fine. Yet another incident which included speed tape, where it was attached to a flight deck window, which came undone, forcing a Ryanair flight to make a U-turn while it was in the air.
At this time, I'm going to ask that you fasten your seatbelts.
In order to allow the window sealant, which had been applied just before takeoff, to cure, speed tape was used to cover it. Both the speed tape and the seal were used for aerodynamic efficiency. None of them carried any structural load. Unfortunately, the sensationalized and inadequate reporting of the incident did not improve the reputation of the speed tape, which will continue to add to fears for concerned travelers if they see it. In general, most pilots see speed tape on their aircraft about once every 3 months when they conduct the preliminary pre-flight walk-around. Captains see it so often they don't even worry about it, so the rest of us probably shouldn't worry about it either. If you made it to the end of the story, it would mean a lot if you gave this video a like, and subscribe if you enjoy travel-related stories like this one, or vacations to resorts in Mexico and the Caribbean. Thank you, and safe travels.